Hello guys, today we are going to do a simple and cheap setup for photographing our jewelries. Oh, that's a hard word for me. I know a lot of you have the same issue and problem as I do with photographing. So I've been studying and exploring and testing out everything, and this is the best solution that I have come up with. So this is plastic glass that I'm pouring on. I will use this as a reflection floor to put the jewelries on. So my jewelries are some pieces are very dark and some pieces are very light. So I think I need to have an possibility to choose between white and black. So that's why I do both colors on the glass, on the plastic glass. And this is, you don't have to think anything about this. It's just to pour, because this side we see here is not the side we are going to use when we do the photo shoot. So the other side will be perfect no matter what you do here. Yeah, so now this pouring are completely dry. So I take a carpet knife and just help making some, yeah, you see what I do. My English isn't good enough, I'm sorry, but my work is talking for itself, I guess. This is just to help out when I break it into two pieces. So I do just the same with the black, and you don't have to see that, it's all the same. So let's fast forward. So this is a water can, plastic water can. It's 25 liters, I think, but that doesn't matter. You can use other sizes as well. And what I do is that I take my carpet knife and just make a hole in some place, it doesn't matter where. We are going to cut out a square piece here, and I make the hole just to be able to get my electric saw in it, so I can cut out a square piece from the front. And as every good TV chefs, I of course had one already prepared. I was doing this yesterday as a test, so this is the one I did then. I have one black carpet and one white carpet. I will use them as a because I want the background to be same color as the floor, as the ground. And we're gonna start with the black one today. I just lay it inside, and then I remove the plastic from the other side of this plastic glass, and you can see it's really shiny, and it's a good reflection in it. So I lay it with that reflective side up. Then I take the piece of jewelry that I'm going to photograph and place it inside. And this is how it looks. As you can see, there is no lighting on the jewelry. The lighting in the box is rather good, but not on the jewelry. So we have to fix that. I place one spotlight on the left side of the box and also one lamp on the right side. So I have lighting from both sides, a little bit in front of the jewelry, and you can see the lighting on the jewelry now is good. So I set focus on my camera and put it on timer, so I can have sharpness in the picture. And then I let the camera do its job. Then I decided I would do the very same thing with the white, just to see the difference in it. I set the focus and the timer and let the camera do its job. And that's the picture. Then I go to my camera photo editor. I use the Lightroom for this, and I go to the pictures and add the pictures that I just taken. So this is the white one, and the sharpness is good and the lighting is good, and this is the black one. And I think you can understand why I really like the black. So I just check if there is any difference in the sharpness, but they're the same. So I'll just pick one for the edit. I go to my cropping tool and make it a square picture, because I think that will look better on the web shop that I'm about to build. I hope it will be up and running pretty soon. So I just move it a bit around and see where I think it looks the best. Then I add a black vignette just to make sure that all the edges are completely black. And I don't have to do anything more than this. It's good, so I just save it. And I do the same with the white picture. I crop it and place it in the picture where I want it, and yeah. So that is good, and I save it and I close it down. I hope you find this useful. It's the best solution that I have come up with so far, and I think I will stick to it for a while. So yeah, if you see in this black picture here, the lighting on the right side is a bit too much. That's because my lamp on that side was a bit too close to the water can, so I need to move that a bit further away. But apart from that, I'm really pleased with the result. So that was it, guys. I hope this was useful for you as well, and hope you all are good. This is it for me today. So take care, and thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.